Well, I got plenty of friends.
I
don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots. Embarrassing. Sit down. Sit down. You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting. You guys should be very embarrassed by that. Sheriff's office, put some clothes on. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed and step out. You can step out right away. Sorry. You get dressed.
Alright, yes, sir. Fine.
Turn your music down, too.
Sorry, what?
Turn your music down, too. Okay. Couldn't have picked a better spot than the church to do this kind of shit?
I'm sorry, sir. Look.
Step out, my man. You get your clothes on. Step out, I ain't saying anything. Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
What strapped in bags?
I don't know. I'm trying to keep it.
No, leave that on the ground. Come over there. Get dressed. You got nothing on you?
One Bodycam, 3 legal doctrines in play: public indecency, the automobile exception, and probation revocation. All 3 thresholds met inside the first 10 minutes.
Got nothing on you? What? Anything illegal on you? Anything illegal on you? What are you doing for church lot? They said you were doing too. People said you were doing too. You were what? Open your mouth when you talk to me. What?
My vape pen. It's a red pen.
THC vape pen?
It's a CBD pen.
Alright. How many pants, different pair of pants you got on, bro?
I trying to put on my shirt when I
Tired? Where are you living at? Is she paid for? How do you know her? That's your friend's friend? It's what? Your friend's friend? You what? Come over here. Come over here. Sit on your butt right here. Alright, cross your feet. Don't move. How much you been drinking today? Step out. Embarrassing. Come here.
Yes, it is, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Face the car.
Okay.
You got any weapons on you?
No.
How do you know him?
A friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
Well, I got plenty of friends.
I
don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots.
Yeah.
What if there's kids here?
Having
Embarrassing. Sit down. What am I going to find in the car?
probably all my stuff and like my whole life.
Okay. Any drugs, guns, knives, anything? Sit down. That's not sitting. Nothing illegal in here. My man. Your car? Okay. You got your IDs in here at all?
Mine is in my wallet.
Yours is
my wallet.
Yours is in your wallet?
Yeah. There's a tab.
What drug do you use? Okay. Is there any meth in there?
Might be or some, yeah.
There might be some.
Yeah.
Let's cut this. Where's
okay,
the?
I don't really
Where's
know.
the? There might be some.
There's a.
Just hey, look at me. What's your name? What's your name? Look at me when I speak to you.
I'm sorry.
Cut the bullshit.
I'm not trying to bullshit
What's
you.
in the car?
I'm not at all.
What's in the car?
There's a small bag probably in the back. And
Probably
then
in the
I
back?
have some alcohol.
Okay. Stockman, will you just ID him for me? Yep. Yeah, I know. Not very good at hiding your paraphernalia. Well, it's not going to get any better today, I don't think. Is this your car? Under your parents' name. Is this your bitch in the center console? Huh? Yes? Okay, well that's nice. That's hey. It's neither here nor there right now. Hey, what are these? Whose are these? So if I look them up, that's what they'll be? Why are they in this container?
Because I moved from a different city and I have left I haven't been able to get my insurance.
Alright. You want paper? You probably have a warrant. Awful lot of probablys. Let's get our heads screwed on straight and let's start answering some questions without probablys.
Those are my medications, sir. I don't.
Whose are they?
Mine.
They're yours?
Let me,
What are they?
those?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's prescribed to you. You should know what it is, right?
It's probably.
I'm on that. That's not this.
No, okay, then,
You ever think you're anxious because you use? Come on. Yeah, maybe he's right. Where's the booze? Where's the booze and weed that it smells like in there? When's the last time you drank or smoked in here? Huh? Today? Where's the? You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting.
I know, I just understand.
Huh?
It's cleaner all back there.
Okay. Where is the?
I don't know there.
You don't know if there is. You said there is. Well, there is or there isn't. It's not rocket science, my friend. Hey, there is or there isn't. There was, now there isn't, now there's probably.
Did you just get done smoking it?
No, they were,
Was it?
what did you say? Huh?
You gotta speak up, man. You're mumbling.
Well, I don't think
I
you,
truly apologize.
I don't think you ate it because you had other things in your mouth when I arrived. You guys should be very embarrassed by that. Whose coat? This looks like yours, my man.
That's your coat? Okay.
How do you got all this shit?
What?
Talking to him. How you got all this stuff in here, my guy? What's up?
No, it is.
Where's your?
Don't
You just said you did.
I don't.
You do or you don't?
I do so much. Maybe it's kind
Okay,
of
hey.
blurry. It really is.
Hey,
It was horrible.
hey, look at me.
I
That's neither here nor there right now.
gotta work.
We're talking about what's going on right
now.
Okay?
I understand, sir.
Okay. Is there in there like you told me there was? Yes or no?
I think so. I don't think.
You don't think so means to me yes.
I don't know.
If it was in there, where would it be?
You already checked my.
Because it's a pigsty, so I don't want to go touching a bunch of it.
So.
It's a pigsty and you're having in your backseat, so I don't feel like
Yeah, I know. It's
I
so
don't feel
horrible.
like I don't feel like
it really is.
digging around in there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
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 All right. I understand.
Wisconsin Statute, Section 944.20, Paragraph A. Lewd and lascivious behavior requires an indecent sexual act committed knowing others are present. Reichenberger versus Warren narrows publicly to protect children and unwilling adults. A Catholic school lot with lowered windows and kids nearby? Textbook fit. Class A misdemeanor, up to 9 months and $10,000. The vehicle search stands on 3 pillars. Carroll versus United States, the automobile exception. Coolidge versus New Hampshire, plain view. Cady versus Dombrowski, community caretaking. And before any search began, the subject's admission about alcohol and a small bag sealed probable cause. Wisconsin Statute, Section 961.41, Subsection 3G, Paragraph G, methamphetamine possession. Class 1 felony, quantity irrelevant, 3 years, 6 months, $10,000 max. Constructive possession in the driver's dominion satisfies the statute. No physical holding required. Pre-arrest questioning about contraband? Permitted under Berkemer versus McCarty. No Miranda needed before custody attaches. Everything the subject volunteered during transport stays admissible under Rhode Island versus Innis. Unsolicited statements aren't interrogation. They're spontaneous declarations. Big difference.
What's yours, buddy?
Just the jacket? Anything else in there that's yours?
What?
So just the jacket. That's all that's in there that's yours.
Nothing on him.
Nothing on him. Nope.
Okay. Look at me, buddy.
Did you pat him down or anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's just got a bunch of drunk on him.
Yeah, there's no warrants or anything for him.
All right. What's going to happen is this fine deputy is going to give you a ride to the city of Green Bay.
Yeah.
Do not show face in my village again. You understand?
Yes,
all right. Stand up. Go over to your car. Right here. Right here. Up against your car. feet apart. You do have a warrant for your arrest.
Anything more on her that you want for the confirmation at all?
Face the car. You want me to turn the keys over to him? Otherwise, I'm going to lock your car. I'm going to tag it for 24 hours, and if it's not gone by tomorrow morning, it's getting towed. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay. How much have you drank today?
Like, I mean, like, I drank maybe a quarter of a pint, I think.
Anything
And
besides?
ever since the morning.
Simple question.
Yeah,
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
about like a quarter of a pint since about like 6 a.m. this morning.
What type of?
I smoked a little earlier. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh.
Both? Right, come on.
Yep.
Come on. You gotta have a little self-worth
I'm
question.
so right now.
You know what I mean? Hey, hey, but having in a church/school parking lot, unacceptable. Have a seat, dear. Have a seat. What's your warrant for?
You didn't finish probation?
You didn't finish probation?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a PO warrant?
I can drop you off at the A&W Quick Trip on Monroe Road if you want.
Oh, wow. I had to walk. I ain't never really done.
You'd rather walk?
You want to hoof
That's
it?
fine.
Start
you want to hoof
hoofing
it? Go ahead. You're good to go.
And now, as she is being transferred to jail, the woman has complaints about her life and the deputy.
Get over there. they know about everything.
They know your situation?
Yeah. I was like telling myself in after the first of the year because I'm working and like I want to give my kids some Christmas because I didn't get to last year. I'm truly sorry, sir.
What?
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I'm not even that mad about the mess.
I know it's what I did. I know.
For kids present.
He's ready to stick it to me now.
What?
He's ready to stick it all to me.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
It seems like you are. It seems like you're happy about it and everything.
I am not happy. I just do my job.
It seems like you are though.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm actually upset because I'm supposed to go hunting now.
Whistling about it and everything.
Is this better so you can't hear me?
It's terrible. I understand your mentality and your job. You don't care.
What?
Yeah.
Been skipping your PO visits and stuff.
I
Never started them or what?
know I started it.
Huh?
I probably, I don't know, I would have got out early and everything, but I didn't know where to live. I had all 4 of my kids, so I went back to my ex-husband and...
So what's going on? What? You couldn't stay with your parents?
You know, it was too much with all my kids and me and my situation and everything. I guess, you know. I'm trying to get a grip here and get a job and do what I need to do. I know what I need to do and I don't have the confidence in myself yet. It's not there.
Well, you have to have confidence to do right? You have to do right by your kids and stuff. Doing this kind of is not helping you.
I know.
Oh, and you gotta get squared away with your PO, otherwise you're always gonna have warrants. What's up? Have I arrested you before?
No, I don't believe so.
You don't think so?
Wisconsin Statute Section 973.10 authorizes probation apprehension requests. Administrative arrest power, no judicial warrant required. The Department of Corrections issues them on any supervision violation. The kicker? They never expire. Any lawful contact can trigger execution. The deputy earns an A-, clean tactics, lawful sequencing, proper discretion releasing the companion. The female subject earns a D-, though her candor likely secured that 90-day plea. The department earns a B+, docked for missing supervisor response. 3 takeaways. 1. Parked cars in semi-public lots near protected populations get minimal Fourth Amendment protection. 2. Evasive answers become consciousness of guilt evidence under Wisconsin Jury Instruction 176. 3. Probation apprehension requests never expire. They wait, and they execute at the next contact. This is Bodycam verdict. where statutes meet the street and every word on camera weighs against the Constitution.